millions of dollars in business profit are lost each year due to the loss of power. The LEX Products PowerGate line of solutions keeps the lights on, machines running, and businesses going during times of emergency and maintenance. LEX Products is a leading manufacturing visionary in the industrial market. When you're called upon to provide reliable, innovative products and services to your clients, LEX Products has been a trusted partner for over 30 years. The PowerGate Power Input Panel allows the quick and easy connection of a generator to a building, providing reliable and convenient access to temporary electricity in power outage or disaster relief applications. Power input panels provide numerous code-compliant features as standard, including industry-standard Series 16 cams that save crucial time in emergency situations, cable egress doors that restrict access to terminations and provide cable stream relief, a tamper-proof design that reduces cable theft, 2 wire remote start terminals that provide remote control of the standby generator, a phase rotation monitor that provides real-time reporting of phase loss or synchronization, a Kirk key provision that accepts Type D interlocks to prevent 2 sources of active power at the same time, offered in a range of ampacity from 400 to 1600 amps. PowerGate input panels are fully listed to UL 1008 for outdoor use and comply with NEC Article 700, Section 700.3F test and maintenance requirements. While input panels allow a facility to accept power, PowerGate output panels provide a safe and convenient way to distribute building power, test emergency backup systems, or provide safe access to temporary power for live events without the need for an electrician. Both the power input panel and the power output panel have the same fit and form. Both units are fully listed to UL standards for the US and Canada, unlike some other products you will find on the market. Permanent generators are costly to purchase, entail extensive installation efforts, and require regular and complex maintenance schedules. Portable power generators may be rented, circumventing expensive installation and involved upkeep. The space and money-saving ReadySwitch power input panel integrates a transfer switch with an input panel, bypassing the costly need for separate panels, requires only annual inspections, and provides a safe and convenient means of connecting portable generator emergency power to your business or facility. Some of ReadySwitch's features include a downward cable drop designed for a low wall profile, a tamper-proof arrangement limiting access to connected cables, reducing theft, a dead front panel covering all exposed electrical parts for added safety, a lockout tagout feature per the National Electrical Code that allows safe system servicing, and weatherproof CULUS listed Type 3R construction for extended long life use in exterior installations, suitable for use as a service entrance, SUSE, and switched configurations. ReadySwitch's patented design saves crucial generator setup time in a crisis situation by eliminating the need for highly trained or licensed electricians to operate and connect the generator. The PowerGate ReadySwitch is fully listed to UL 1008 for outdoor use, complies with NEC Article 702, optional standby systems, and NFPA 110-2019 Chapter 6, transfer switch equipment. The safety and convenience benefits of the patented PowerGate company switch have made it the preferred product for facilities that utilize equipment that changes on a regular basis. Some of its unique features include a connection chamber door that automatically shuts off power when opened, eliminating the opportunity to make or break terminations under load. Receptacles and lugs combine for an ultimate flexibility of termination. An integral LED work light for ease of connection and enhanced safety in low-light situations. The cables hang straight down for lower profile when mounted to a wall. An electronic trip circuit breaker with lockout tagout ability that is 100% and 65K AIC rated, enabling continuous operation at maximum ampacity. Chassis grounds that may be isolated from the main ground for sensitive audio applications are standard on all PowerGate company switches. In addition to our innovative permanent install panels, LEX Products is an industry-leading provider of precision cable assemblies, as well as ruggedized rubber portable power distribution. LEX Products has raised the bar of power distribution for over 30 years by implementing state-of-the-art processes, quality, and expertise into every product. Our team works to continually develop products that address the broad range of needs across our industry, making the vision of connecting the world together a core belief that informs every interaction with you and your end goals of providing the highest level of value to your projects. LEX Products is uniquely positioned to ensure your success in realizing your project's potential. We are a proud U.S. manufacturer with in-house product management, design, and technical expertise. Beyond the obvious benefits of working with a top-tier organization, our people are our strongest asset to our clients. We are available for consultation to increase the value you bring to each and every project. We are LEX Products, and we deliver the power.